Good morning students. Chapter number 11 construction is going on, and today we will study how to divide a line segment internally by second method. In our previous class we discussed how to divide a line segment internally by first method, and today we will discuss about second method. So look at example. It is same example which we had discussed in our previous class by first method. So in this example we have to divide the line segment of length 8 cm in the ratio 3:2. Okay, we will discuss by second method. हम second method से discuss कर रहे हैं. So first step is to draw a line segment of length 8 cm. We will draw a line segment of length 8 cm. Okay, label it as AB. Its length is 8 centimeter. Now in next step we will draw a ray AX. We will draw a ray AX such that angle XAB should be acute angle. In such a manner you have to draw this ray AX such that we must get angle XAB as acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. This angle must be acute, less than 90 degree. Okay. Now we have to divide this line segment AB in the ratio 3:2. So what we will do? We will add them. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 gives you 5. So what we will do? We will open our compass. Normally in standard size we will open it, and we will cut 5 equal arcs starting from point A. A point से start करते हुए we will cut 5 equal arcs. First arc, then keeping it as center we will cut second arc, then taking this point as center third arc, then fourth arc and fifth arc. In this way we have cut 5 equally spaced arcs. Equally spaced arcs means 10th class. Distance between these arcs must be same. जो distance आएगा वो क्या आएगा? Same आएगा. And label them as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay, we have labeled all the arcs. We know that A1, A1, A2, A2, A3, A3, A4, A4, A5. All these distances are equal because all the arcs are equally spaced. Distance between these arcs will be same. Okay. Now in next step we will join fifth arc with this point B. Take help of scale and join this fifth arc with this end point B. Okay. Now see 10th class. When I have joined A5 with B, so I got this straight line. It depends on these arcs. आपने आर्क अगर बहुत बड़ी बड़ी काटी है तो ये लाइन यू मिल सकती है, कोई इशू नहीं है. अगर आपने आर्क्स छोटी छोटी काटी है तो मे बी आपको ये लाइन यू मिले. इट्स नॉट अ बिग इशू. ये कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि मेरी लाइन स्ट्रेट जुड़ रही है, स्लैंटिंग जुड़ रही है, कैसे भी जुड़ रही है. गॉट इट. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू नाउ, whichever angle is formed at A5, that same angle we have to frame at third arc. Why at third arc? Because we have to divide the line segment in the ratio 3:2. Okay, so whatever angle we are forming at A5, जितना भी angle A5 पे मिल रहा है, that same angle you have to frame at A3. In our previous classes, in our junior classes, we had studied how to make equal angles. Let me remind you. Suppose, have a look. Suppose I have made an angle. Okay. Now I want to make an equal angle without using protractor. Without using protractor you have to make an equal angle. So what you will do? Draw a line segment AB of any length. Open compass, cut an arc from point Y. With the same radius you have to cut arc from point A with the same radius. You will not change your compass. Okay, now measure this angle with the help of compass. How will you measure? See, we'll keep our compass pointer at this point and open it up to that angle. Okay, इस एंगल तक आपने खोल लिया. Now with the same radius keep your compass pointer at this point and cut an arc. Okay, now join it with the help of scale. When we will join it, we'll get an angle. Label it as C. Now when you will measure it with protractor, you will get that both the angles are approximately same. You will get both the angles same. See, measure of this angle is approximately 48 degree. Okay, are you able to see? 48 degree it is. And let us measure this new angle now. It is also approximately 48 degree. So in this manner we had studied that how to make equal angles. Okay, now we'll use the same concept to make equal angles at A5 and A3. Now what we will do? We'll keep our compass pointer at A5. Now see, you can open your compass more than that arc or equal to that arc or less than that arc. It's up to you. आपको कंपास कितना खोलना है? It's up to you 10th class. Okay. Now I have kept compass pointer at A5 and I am cutting an arc in this way. Understood? Now with the same radius, without movement in compass, with the same radius, we'll keep our compass pointer at A3 and cut an arc. In this manner we will cut an arc. Okay. Now measure this angle. कीप योर कंपास पॉइंटर एट दिस न्यू आर्क. इस न्यू आर्क पर रखना है. मोस्टली बच्चे कंफ्यूज होकर यहाँ रख देते हैं. ध्यान से देखिए, वी हैव टू कीप आवर कंपास पॉइंटर एट दिस न्यू आर्क एंड मेजर दिस एंगल. इस एंगल को मेजर कीजिए इन दिस वे. ओके, नाउ विद द सेम रेडियस कीप योर कंपास एट दिस न्यू आर्क एंड कट एन आर्क. we'll cut this arc. Now join A3. Join A3 with this new arc. We'll join A3 with this new arc. What you will observe that this new line A3, label this point as C. A3C is parallel to A5B. जो A3C आएगा that must be parallel to A5B. Can you tell me why these two lines are parallel? How these two lines are parallel? ये दोनों lines parallel क्यों आई है? Because we have made corresponding angles equal. Okay, हमने corresponding angles equal बनाए हैं and we know that if corresponding angles are equal then lines are parallel. It means these two lines are parallel. So this point C divides AB internally in the ratio 3:2. In this way we have studied second method. How can we divide line segment internally? Okay, now see, can we have any proof of this construction? Can we justify this construction? Yes, we can justify. Remember 10th class in chapter number 6 triangles we had studied a theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Have you remembered? हमने BPT पढ़ी थी, basic proportionality theorem पढ़ी थी. हो सकता है आपको याद नहीं हो. We will recall it once again. Not now, later on. So in that theorem we know that ABA5 is a triangle. In triangle ABA5, A3C is parallel to A5B. Both the lines are parallel. So by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, क्या रिजल्ट मिलता था? When a line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle, then that line divides these two sides in the same ratio. So by BPT we will get AC upon CB is equal to AA3 upon A35. A3, A5. Okay, so by BPT we got AC upon CB equals to AA3 upon A3, A5. Okay, now see, regarding AC and BC, we are not sure what is the length or what is the measure of these two sides, so it will remain as it is, AC upon BC, AA3. Now see, AA3, as in the beginning only I told you, we have cut equal arcs, so can we say that A3 can be written as 1, 2, 3 upon A3, A5 can be written as 1, 2. So AC ratio BC is equal to 3 ratio 2. It is its justification. We have used BPT to justify this construction. You can use similarity also, but that will be a lengthy process for this method. इस method के लिए वो lengthy process रहेगा. Okay? How to justify it by actual measurement, that we have discussed already in our previous class as we did in first method. Okay? जैसे first method में measurement से आपने justify किया था, in the same way we can justify here as AC can be written as 3, पहला part क्या है 3 upon 3 plus 2 5, 3/5 of AB. AC must be equal to 3/5 of AB. So AC is equal to 3/5 of AB. AB is equal to 8 centimeter. So 8 3s are 24. 24 upon 5 gives 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20.8. So AC must be equal to 4.8 centimeter. In the same way, BC is equal to 2 upon 5. 2/5 of AB. Solve it. BC is equal to 2/5 of AB. AB is equal to 8 centimeter. So 8 2s are 16. 16 upon 5 is equal to 5 3s are 15.2 centimeter. So when we will measure it with the help of scale, then length of AC must be equal to approximately 4.8 centimeter and BC must be equal to 3.2 centimeter. Let us check it now. See, length of AC, are you able to see? Length of AC is equal to approximately 4.8 centimeter and length of BC must be equal to approximately 3.2 centimeter. It means it is correct. Our construction is correct. Okay. So in this way we can do construction. Now listen one thing, 10th class. Steps I have already provided you in PDF today. So you can complete exercise 11.1 now, because in 11.1 we have two concepts in all, that how to divide a line segment internally and how to draw triangles similar to given triangles as per scale factor. But that topic has been deducted from your syllabus this year. So we will not study that topic. So 11.1 exercise first question you can do yourself, and one example I have already given you. So in your notebook I have provided you in PDF that work you have to do, but please do yourself, because whatever constructions you have to do, that you have to draw yourself. ये आर तो आपको अपने आप काटनी पड़ेगी. You cannot copy it from that PDF. Okay, so questions you can see from that PDF, otherwise construction you will have to draw yourself, justification you will do yourself, and steps you can copy down from that PDF which I have sent you. Okay, I think you are understanding it in 10th class. I thought that it will be easy for you to see all the arcs properly with the help of this notebook. That's why I have used this method. Still, if you feel any problem, then please tell me. I can use board also if you will tell me. Okay, thank you.